Building an AI app in 2026 sounds exciting. You've got an idea, maybe something like a chatbot, fitness coach, or smart assistant. But the real question is, how do AI apps actually get built in the real world? Let's break it down simply. It's not just building an app. Most people think an AI app is just coding screens. But in reality, an AI app has three layers working together. The app interface users see, the backend system that handles logic, and the AI model that actually thinks. Without all three, the app doesn't really work. Start with the problem, not the AI. The biggest mistake beginners make is starting with AI. But successful apps start with one question: what problem am I actually solving? Because AI is just a tool, not the idea itself. Whether it's fitness tracking, customer support, or content generation, the use case comes first. Choose how your AI will work. In 2026, you don't always need to build AI from scratch. Most apps use pre-trained AI models, APIs like ChatGPT-style systems, or custom machine learning models for advanced use cases. This decision directly affects complexity and cost. Simple apps are faster. Custom intelligence takes longer. Build the system around the AI. Once AI is selected, developers build the structure around it. Frontend, what users interact with. Data plus logic handling. AI integration, connecting the model. This is where the app starts becoming real. Because AI alone can't function without a proper system around it. Train, test, and refine. Now comes the most important part. Testing how the AI actually behaves. Does it respond correctly? Does it understand user input? Does it improve over time? This stage decides whether your app feels smart or useless. The reality most people don't expect. Building an AI app isn't just coding. It involves data preparation, model tuning, system integration, and continuous updates. That's why even simple AI apps can take weeks or months to build properly. So if you're thinking about building an AI app in 2026, don't just think, can I add AI? Think, can I build a system that actually solves a real problem using AI? Because that's the difference between an idea and a working AI product.